Hey guys, Steve with Cam Auto here. We're going to work on this dent, and we're going to use our slide hammer with hook, our rod, our pull blocks, and our flex tab. Of course, our glue gun. And actually, this time I have two glue guns. A lot of times I have two glue guns because it's much more efficient. I'm going to, instead of push apart like this, I'm going to pull apart. And when I pull them apart, that allows me to not create a dive like normal. Oh, guys, you let me forget my lateral tension. That's what we're using in conjunction with those blocks to pull them apart. The great thing about this is when you drive this, you can push and pull with this. I can shorten this. I always leave myself a little room. So now it's easier for me to slide it into position here. There you go. I like this because this can swing up and down, but I'm gonna have a lot of crown work here, so, and then a little bit way down here. So it's just drop that down, and now it's time for my flex tab. Okay, let's add some pressure here. Watch this. Oh my. Flat bar tab for chiseling the glue off when it's stuck, must have.